Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Notion for brand documentation, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Notion, which is www.notion.so. Press the Enter key to navigate to the Notion website. Once the page loads, look for the Login button located in the top right corner. Click on the Login button. You will be redirected to the login page. Here, you'll see options to log in with your email, Google account, or access via Apple ID. Choose your preferred method for logging in. If you select the email option, enter your registered email address. Then, click on the Continue button. Check your email inbox for a message from Notion. Open the email and locate the login link. Click on the provided link to return to Notion. If you opted for Google or Apple ID, follow the on-screen prompts to authenticate your account. Once logged in, you will be taken to your Notion dashboard. From here, you can navigate to your brand documentation workspace. Look for the sidebar on the left side of the screen. You can either create a new page or open an existing one for brand documentation. To create a new page, click on the New Page button. For opening an existing page, simply click on the page name listed in the sidebar. Now, you are ready to start organizing and managing your brand documentation. Make sure to explore Notion's features to optimize your workspace. With everything set up, you can now collaborate with your team effectively. Enjoy the streamlined process of documentation with Notion. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.